Hello everyone. Today I will provide you with the important 2 marks questions for the business studies examination scheduled for March 7th, 2026. Come to the chapter number 1, Nature and Significance of Management. First one, define management. According to Harold Kuhns, management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment which individuals work together in groups efficiently accomplish selected aims. Next, second one, state any two importance of management. Management helps in achieving group goals. Management helps in achieving personal objectives. Next, come to the third question. State any two characteristics of management. Management is a goal oriented process, and management is all pervasive. Next, come to the fourth question. Name any two dimensions of management: management of work, management of people. Next one, give the meaning of management. Management is a process of getting the things done through others with effectively and efficiently achieving organizational goals. Next one, define coordination. According to Mooney and Relay, coordination is an orderly arrangement of group effort to provide unity of action in pursuit of common goals. Come to the last question, justify the importance of coordination by any two factors. First one, growth in size. Second one, specialization. Third one, functional differentiation. Out of these 7 questions, define management, importance of management, dimensions of management, and coordination. These questions are very important. Next, come to the second chapter, principles of management. What is a scalar chain? The formal lines of authority from highest to lowest rank is known as scalar chain. Next one, what is gangplank? It is a shorter route in scalar chain which allows employee at the same level to communicate with each other directly, and it is used in case of emergency. Next one, what is discipline according to Fayol? It is the obedience to organizational rules and employment agreement which are necessary for working of an organization. Next one, give the meaning of mental revolution as propounded by F.W. Taylor. It is a change in the attitude of workers and management towards one another from competition to coordination. Next one, state any two differences between unity of command and unity of direction. Unity of command, the purpose of unity of command is to prevent dual subrogation, and it is focused on single employees. Next, come to unity of direction. The purpose of unity of direction is to prevent activities overlap. Second one, on the basis of focus on, it focuses on entire organization. Next one, state any two nature of principles of management. Cause and effect relationship and formed by practice and experimentation. Next, last one, what is standardization according to Taylor? Standardization refers to the process of setting standard for every business activity. Next one, planning. State any two features of planning. Planning is a primary function of management and planning is pervasive. Next, what do you mean by objectives? Objectives are ends which the management want to achieve, and they are set up by top management. Next one, give the meaning of planning premises. Assumption about changes in future conditions of social, economic, political, and technology, etc. The plan must be made within their premises. Next one, what is procedure? Procedure are routine steps on how to carry out activities. They detail the exact manner in which any work is to be performed. And the last one, state the types of plan: single use plan, standing plan. Next comes to the next chapter, Organization. Organizing. Give the meaning of formal organization. The formal organization refers to the organization structure which is designed by the management to accomplish a particular task. Next, second one, state any two differences between functional structure and divisional structure. The formation is based on functions for function structure and specialization. Functional structure is functional specialization. Next, divisional structure. The formation is based on product line and is supported by function. Next, it is product specialization. Next, compare and contrast authority and accountability. Authority meaning right to command and delegation can be delegated, and accountability meaning answerable for outcome of the assigned task and delegation cannot be delegated at all. Next one, define organizing. According to Heyman, organizing is the process of defining and grouping the activities of the enterprise and establishing authority relationship among them. Next one, what is organizational structure? It is defined as the framework within the managerial and operating tasks are performed. Next, state any two elements of delegation: authority, accountability, responsibility. Next, come to this chapter number 6 and 7, staffing and directing. Define leadership. According to Gleick, leadership is a set of interpersonal behaviors designed to influence employees to cooperate in the achievement of objectives. Next, state the types or styles of leadership: autocratic leadership and democratic leadership. Next, come to the third question. State any two types of test used for selection of employees. First one, intelligence test. Second one, aptitude test. Next, what is orientation in the staffing process? Orientation means introducing the selected employees to other employees and familiarizing them with the rules and policies of the organization. Next, come to fifth one, state any two internal sources of recruitment: promotion and transfer. Next, state any two limitations of internal sources of recruitment. It reduces the productivity of an organization. Next, second limitation, a new enterprise cannot use internal sources of recruitment. Next, name any two elements of communication process: message, sender, and receiver. Next, what is leadership? It is the ability of manager to induce subordinates to work with confidence and goal. Bring out any two differences between training and development. Training, it is a process of increasing knowledge and skill, and it is job oriented process. Development, it is a process of learning and growth, and it is a career oriented process. Next one, define motivation. According to William G. Scout, motivation means a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goals. Next, state any two barriers to effective communication: psychological barrier, organizational barrier, and semantic barrier. Next, what is supervision? Supervision is an element of directing. It means overseeing what is being done by subordinates and giving instructions to them. Next, what is communication? According to George Terry, communication is an exchange of facts, ideas, opinions, or emotions by two or more persons. Next, what is staffing? Staffing is the function by which managers build an organization through the recruitment, selection, and development of individuals as capable employees. Next one, what is grapevine communication? It is the informal, unofficial, and rapid gossip based network within an organization that operates outside formal sanctioned channels. Next one, controlling. Come to the next chapter, controlling. Mention any modern techniques followed in managerial control process: return on investment and ratio analysis. What do you understand by budgetary control? Budgetary control is a technique of managerial control in which all operations are planned in advance in the form of budgets and actual results are compared with the budgetary standard. Next one, explain the importance of controlling. It helps in accomplishing organization goals and making efficient use of resources. State any two limitations of controlling: difficulty in setting quantitative standard and little control on external factors. Next, give the meaning of break-even analysis. It's a technique used by managers to study the relationship between cost, volume, and profit. Next one, state the first two steps involved in the controlling process: setting performance standard and measuring of actual performance. Next one, abbreviation ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ CVP, cost volume profit, and MIS, management information system. Next chapter, financial management. First one, give the meaning of trading on equity. Companies often employ more of cheaper debt to enhance the earning per share. Such practice is called trading on equity. Next one, state the twin objectives of financial planning. Tumba important ido. To ensure availability of funds whenever required, to see that the firm does not raise resources necessarily. Next one, what do you mean by financial management? It is concerned with the raising financial resources and their efficiency utilizing towards achieving the organizational objectives. Next one, state any two examples of current assets and non-current assets. Current assets are cash, stock, and debtors, and non-current assets are machinery, buildings. Next one, state any two financial decision, investment decision, and dividend decision. Next, come to the chapter number 10, marketing. State any two functions of packaging. Packaging helps in product identification and packaging helps in product promotion. State any two features of advertising. It's a paid form and impersonality. Next one, what is marketing? Marketing refers to all those business activities that direct the flow of goods and services from producer to consumers. Next, what are industrial products? Give example. Industrial products are goods and services purchased by the business, industries, or organizations to produce another goods, operate their business, or for resale. Example, raw materials. Next, fifth one, state any two levels of packaging: primary level of packaging and secondary level of packaging. Next, sixth one, what do you mean by zero level distribution channel? It means there are no middlemen between manufacturer and consumer. The manufacturer directly sell the goods to the consumers. Next, convenience goods. Example for convenience goods: toothpaste and soap, and durable products: television and fridge. What is publicity? Publicity is a promotional communication regarding its products where the manager is not paid for by the organization benefiting from it. Next one, state any two examples for marketing of services: hospitality services and financial services. Next, come to last chapter, Consumer Protection Act. Give any two reasons to emphasize the importance of consumer protection from the customer point of view: consumer ignorance, unrecognized consumers. Next, second one, write any two consumer rights: right to safety, right to choice. Next, state any two responsibility of consumers while purchasing goods and services: awareness of rights, quality conscious. Next, come to the fourth question, state any two directions which can be issued by the consumer court to the opposite party to remove the defect in goods or deficiency in services. Next one, to refund the price paid for the product, to replace the defective product within a new one. Next, who can file complaint before the appropriate consumer forum? Any consumer, any registered consumers association, and the central government or any state government. Next, come to the last question, what is consumer protection? It is protecting the consumers from exploitation of business firms through unfair trade practices such as black marketing, false advertising, etc. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೇಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್. ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಚೈನು ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳೋಂಥ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡೈಸೇಷನ್. ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್, ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವಿಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪು, ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಲಿಗೇಷನ್. ಸ್ಟಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್, ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಓರಿಯಂಟೇಷನ್, ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಗ್ರೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಿಂಗಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್. ಈ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ಯೂರಬಲ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಥವಾ MCQ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂಯಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಇದೆ, 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ, 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೂ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.